Pemberton. That was fantastic. I like how she plays guitar.
I do too.
And, yeah.
I love when people can do everything. Sing,
I know.
write songs, play the guitar.
That was
Have
fantastic.
a seat right here.
Hi, thank you very much.
Good job.
Do you keep your picks in your fanny pack?
Actually, I keep most everything in this fanny pack. But
Nice.
I actually don't use a pick.
You don't
Really?
use a pick
Yeah.
at all?
I finger pick so much that I drop them too often.
Really?
So I just use my fingernails.
So what else is in the fanny pack? I don't know. I haven't seen a fanny pack in a while.
That's a rude question to ask.
Jewelry, change.
Really?
Yeah.
The most random things end up in a fanny
That's
pack.
very cool.
Yeah. Surprised.
So I know you've got some big shows coming up. Tell us where people can come and see you.
Well, next week they can see me Thursday at Sauced from 7 to 10. We're doing a little ukulele night, so I'll be playing some ukulele with a bunch of other fellow musicians here in Oklahoma.
Nice.
And then on August 22nd, I will be at Leon's Lounge in the Chameleon Room on Portland, and that's going to start at 9. Tickets are on sale for $6, $7, $6. So
Okay.
Ukulele night. That's
Ukulele
pretty cool.
night, and that's the Paseo district. It's a great area to be.
It's a great area. Actually,
Yeah.
just moved down there.
Awesome.
Oh, did you
yeah,
really?
It's a great area of town. And then also tell us about your CD.
My CD is online at bandcamp.com. You can just look me up, Jason Pemberton. I'm sure you can look it up on the show. But yeah, it's $10 online. Great show, great CD.
Yeah.
Awesome. Is it similar to what we just heard?
Yes,
Okay.
that song is actually probably my favorite on that CD. So
Oh, cool. Yeah, any ukulele stuff on there too?
actually, I didn't pick up ukulele until after we recorded that album.
And we've noticed a lot of people are picking up the ukulele now. What made you
It's
decide?
really booming.
Yeah.
Someone gave me it for a Christmas gift, and I just thought it was fun and cute, and it's really fun. I do a lot of unconventional covers on it.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's very trendy. You're very hip. You live in the Paseo and you play the ukulele. You're pretty
Thank
much
you.
an awesome girl.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're big fans now. Well, if we're going to give away one of your CDs, let's go
definitely.
caller number 3, 405-470-0993. That's 470-0993. And we'll have more from Jason coming up here in the show.
Thank
you
so
very
much.
much.
We
Appreciate
appreciate it. Well, coming up.